guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been forever and I'm back with a hair video. So this hair that I want to show you guys is from HerGivenHair and it's called Proud of Your Coily. That is the name of this unit. So I've already taken it out of the packaging and this is what it looks like. But before I can put the wig on, I need to take this wig off. And I'm showing you guys this step because I had glued my wig on too tight to my head and it ripped off some of my skin. There's a scar, you guys. It actually ripped off some of my skin. And so I'm really sad about that. So do not try to pull your wig off until you know that this glue is kind of melted. And voila. So I'm going to clean up my forehead and get on a new stocking cap. So you guys can see the scar a little bit better right there, you guys. Yeah, I'm pretty sad. But anyway, back to the unit. So as I said, this is like a kinky curly unit. It is a 4x4 frontal in the front, frontal or closure, I'd say. And it comes with clips and an adjustable elastic band already inserted. Oh my God. When I first put it on, this wig looks crazy, but don't worry guys. It just needs a tiny bit of work. So the first thing I'm gonna do is comb out these curls. So the curls aren't like kind of uniform when you get it out the box. So I'm just gonna kind of break up the coils so they can kind of be together, if you know what I mean. Do you know what I mean? You'll see what I'm saying after. So I'm just giving it a quick comb out and you'll notice the more you comb it, the bigger it gets. So if you guys are wondering where I've been, I've actually started school in January. So that's where I've been. I've been at school. So I am going to make like a life update video for you guys and just let you know how that's going. So stay tuned. Okay, phase one complete. So I have this olive oil mousse, which I'm going to put all over the hair and kind of reform the curls, if you get what I mean. It is so, I don't even know what words to use because I do not work with natural hair very often. I'm sure there's a correct term for this, but I'm just adding some water along with the mousse to kind of define, there we go, define the curls. Y'all know what that means. So I'm just defining the curls, running my fingers through it. And as you can see, it's really shrinking the size of this wig. Like this wig is getting smaller. I actually just shot myself in the eyeball. So I'm going to continue this on both sides and all the way around. And you can really see the wig starting to come together while I'm doing this. Now, I did see someone else with this wig, and what they actually did, they twisted the entire wig. So they twisted it and let it dry overnight, and then the next day they unraveled the twist, and it was like a twist out look, and it was really, really, really cute. And that's something I definitely do maybe next time. And I know you're thinking it looks like a lot of work as well, but you really only have to do this once because you're gonna take it off at nighttime. So this whole process took me like, I don't know, 25 minutes, 35 minutes in terms of just combing it through with some product and letting it dry. So once you're done, you really don't have to, you know, fuss with it again. You just kind of do it once and then you take your wig off at night and just put it back on the next day. You know what I mean? So guys, what do you think? It looks so big to me. I'm so not used to having big hair like this, but I think it looks pretty cute. I'm also gonna go ahead and trim some of these excess hairs that are hanging down just to kind of shape it and give it an even round look. Aww. So it kind of shrunk a little bit too when it dried. So I'm going to do my makeup and I cannot do the wig on my head. So let me put it aside, you guys. I'll be right back. So this is the first time I'm doing my makeup in a very long time. And I was like, something looks weird. Like something's missing. It's not the wig. And I think my makeup looks okay. But guys, I'm missing my eyelashes. LOL. That is it. That's why I look like a weirdo. All right, guys, let me put these lashes on. And voila, you guys. I'm done. So this, like, I spent literally 1 hour fixing the wig and doing my makeup all together. That was just 1 hour. You don't have to fuss with it every single day. It's even easier than straight hair, which you gotta straighten, maybe even add some curls to, but this is like a wash and go type of hairstyle. And I actually decided to try doing the twist out, and this is how it looks. I like this. I actually like the twist out a bit better than the natural fro. But of course, you got options. So yeah, comment down below, guys. Do you prefer the twist out or do you prefer the wash and go look? This is the end of the video. So thanks again so much for watching. And if you guys are interested, be sure to click the link in the bio so you can get to this wig and also their website. Okay, so I'll see you guys next time. Love you. Bye.